7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
We can hear from the mission operations team that the sensors are performing nominally, and we are currently in the midst of the fine braking phase, which is going to continue for 3 minutes, and the altitude is going to be reduced to nearly 800 meters at the end of this phase. We are approaching the vertical descent phase 2, which will have the lander module hovering at nearly 150 meters above the lunar surface.